BigRep developed a new, innovative bionic propeller based on two principles inspired by nature. The loop ends reflect the pinions of bird wings. 6 ridges on each blade are reminiscent of the fins of humpback whales. Both of these bionic principles work in water and air. Testing reveals that the new propeller reduces noise emissions by 30% and raises thrust performance by 19%. The BigRep one transforms the casting process by shaving significant time off cast mold production. Designing with 3D printers opens the way to more complex structures, saving time, cutting costs and energy consumption. Smarter features which make us more efficient.